Getting it right. Bad versus badly in English. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a topic that causes a lot of confusion: the use of bad and badly. It's easy to mix them up, but once you understand the rule behind them, it will all make sense. So let's get started. Bad and badly are both adjectives and adverbs, and the difference lies in how we use them. Bad is an adjective, which means it's used to describe nouns. Badly, on the other hand, is an adverb, used to describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Let's look at some examples. Adjective usage: he is a bad driver. Adverb usage: he drives badly. In the first sentence, bad describes the noun driver. In the second, badly describes the verb drives. Now, where people often get confused is when they use the verb feel. People often say, "I feel badly," when they mean to say, "I feel bad." Remember, badly is an adverb and modifies how you perform an action. So if you say, "I feel badly," you're technically saying you're not good at feeling, which isn't what most people mean. So, it's correct to say, "I feel bad about forgetting her birthday," and not, "I feel badly about forgetting her birthday." This happens because feel is a linking verb, not an action verb, so it should be followed by an adjective, not an adverb. Remember, use bad as an adjective to describe nouns and pronouns, and badly as an adverb to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Watch out for linking verbs like feel. They should be followed by adjectives, not adverbs. Let's practice with some examples. Correct: I did bad on the test. Bad describes the pronoun I. Incorrect: I did badly on the test. In this case, badly incorrectly modifies the verb did. Correct: he played badly in the game. Badly modifies the verb played. Incorrect: he played bad in the game. Bad incorrectly describes the verb played. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning. I hope this video has clarified the difference between bad and badly for you. Practice these rules, and you'll soon find that you're using these words correctly without even having to think about it. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!